Do you ever tap your screen twice by accident and your phone reacts too quickly? Let me show you a smart feature on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra that helps prevent that. This feature is called Ignore Repeated Touches. It tells your phone to recognize only your first tap within a certain time, even if you touch the screen again. It's perfect if you have quick fingers or sometimes tap more than you mean to. To adjust it, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down the screen to find Accessibility. Tap Accessibility. Tap Interaction and Dexterity. Scroll down the screen. Under Touch Settings section, tap Ignore Repeated Touches. Use the minus or plus button to set the time ring from 0.1 second up to 4 seconds. For example, you can set it to 0.5 seconds if you often double tap by mistake. Tap Try It Out to test your setup. You will see 3 circles. Tap them to check how the phone reacts. If extra touches are ignored, it means it's working. Tap Done when finished. Finally, turn on the switch for Ignore Repeated Touches to apply your setting. And that's it. Now, your Galaxy S25 Ultra will ignore quick repeated touches, making your phone easier and more comfortable to use, especially if you tend to tap fast or accidentally double tap. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.